Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's a transformative force shaping the way we live, work, and interact. In fact, over 77% of devices we use daily rely on some form of AI, from smartphones to smart home gadgets. It's in your phone, it's embedded in the navigation systems guiding your daily commute, and it even influences the videos that pop up on your social media feed. But what exactly is AI, and why is it at the forefront of technological innovation today? In the next 10 minutes, we're going to peel back the layers of AI, explore how it works, and uncover why it matters so much to our future. At its simplest, artificial intelligence is the science of creating machines that can mimic human cognitive functions, like learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Imagine teaching a computer to see, think, and even converse much like a human does. When we say a machine learns, we refer to its ability to process vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and improve its performance over time without explicit programming for every single task. Consider the way your smartphone understands your voice commands, how streaming services suggest your next favorite show, or how virtual reality environments adapt to your movements in real time. Even smart home devices like thermostats and voice-activated assistants are practical applications of AI, powered by sophisticated algorithms working tirelessly behind the scenes. Essentially, AI blends computer science, statistics, and complex mathematical models to simulate what our brains do naturally every day. How does AI work? To understand how AI functions, it helps to break it down into 3 core components. This is the engine that drives most AI applications. Machine learning involves feeding computers large datasets, whether that's thousands of images, snippets of text, or streams of numerical data, so that they can start to recognize underlying patterns. For example, if you provide a machine with countless photos of cats, it will eventually learn to identify the distinct features that define a cat, enabling it to accurately spot a cat in a new image. This learning process is iterative, meaning the computer refines its understanding each time it encounters new data. Inspired by the human brain, neural networks are composed of layers of interconnected nodes, often called neurons. Each neuron processes input data, and the output of one layer becomes the input for the next. This hierarchical structure allows the system to handle increasingly complex patterns. For instance, early layers might identify simple shapes and edges in an image, while deeper layers can combine these elements to recognize more intricate objects like faces or specific animals. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that employs neural networks with many layers, often referred to as deep neural networks. Think of these networks like a series of filters or checkpoints where each layer picks up on different details. Early layers might detect simple things like edges or colors in an image, while deeper layers identify complex features like faces or objects. This approach allows the AI to not only learn from the data, but to improve its performance continuously, much like how you get better at a video game with practice. Deep learning has enabled significant breakthroughs in areas like image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even strategic game playing. Underpinning all these processes is an enormous amount of computational power and data. The algorithms work by adjusting internal parameters, essentially the knobs and dials of the system, so that the output becomes more accurate with each pass through the data. It's a dynamic process of trial, error, and refinement, that lets AI mimic the way our own brains learn and adapt. Why AI matters. AI is not merely a futuristic concept, it's a powerful tool that is revolutionizing multiple sectors. AI systems analyze complex datasets from medical imaging, electronic health records, and genetic information, allowing for quicker and more accurate diagnoses. This technology can detect early signs of diseases like cancer, assist in planning personalized treatment regimens, and even predict outbreaks before they occur, potentially saving countless lives. Self-driving cars and smart traffic management systems are transforming how we move. AI helps these vehicles interpret their surroundings, make split-second decisions, and navigate safely, all while reducing human error on the roads. This not only improves safety, but could also lead to more efficient and environmentally friendly transportation networks. Behind every personalized feed, recommendation, or advertisement is an AI algorithm analyzing your past interactions to predict what you'll enjoy next. These systems sift through vast amounts of data to deliver content that's tailored specifically to your tastes, thereby enhancing your online experience while also raising important questions about data privacy and manipulation. AI isn't just about numbers and logic, it's also venturing into the creative realm. From composing music and writing poetry to generating artwork, AI is challenging our traditional notions of creativity and collaboration between man and machine. It's opening new avenues for artists and technologists alike, blending art with science in innovative ways. The future of AI. Looking forward, the future of AI is as promising as it is complex. Could AI ever surpass human intelligence? This thought-provoking question drives much of the excitement and concern surrounding AI's rapid evolution. We're entering an era where AI could become an integral part of almost every facet of our lives, from intelligent personal assistants that anticipate our needs to advanced robots that could help us explore distant planets. However, with such transformative power comes significant responsibility. The rapid evolution of AI raises critical questions about ethics, data privacy, and control. How do we ensure that these systems are used responsibly? What safeguards must we implement to prevent misuse? And importantly, how can we ensure that the benefits of AI are accessible to all, rather than just a select few? These are challenges we must address as we continue to integrate AI into the very fabric of society. And that's our deep dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what AI is, how it works, and why it's such a game changer for our future. If you found this exploration both informative and engaging, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech content, and leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Who knows? Your question might be the spark for our next video. And if you're curious about where AI is heading, stay tuned for our upcoming video where we explore the future of AI. Will machines ever think like humans?